Anna, look at the sun right over there. The descent to the beach is at your own risk.
Oh, great.
Come on, you got this. High five. High five. High five. Come on, don't worry. If you fall, I'll record. She needs me. She needs me. She can't do it without me. Oh, that's nothing. How you feeling right now?
I'm feeling pretty annoyed that you're recording me when I'm having crisis.
She's having a crisis. You're having a Greek crisis? Come on, you got this. Come on, I'll do it one-handed with my camera.
No, Manny, you're not going to do it.
What do you mean, no?
Don't do it.
I went down. How come no one ever told me not to do roofing?
Manny, I really need your help and I won't need you to be recording.
Come on, you got this. It's nothing. This is easier than that hike we did in the Catskills. No, you can't sit on your ass. You got to get up and do
Can you
this.
stop recording then?
No.
I'm going to go back up and stay there.
Want me to come help you? I'm going to go up and help her. Bye-bye. Yay. You did it. Don't you feel like a big girl now?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, I've been those people that stuck there and he's just scared to go away. I'm like this and I am not doing it.
Yeah. Oh, you're doing this.
And I'm saying let him. Let the man go down and I'll
Yay, you're alive. Are you going to be able to go back up? It's getting a little crowded though. It's a small beach. And it gets really tough trying to come down the ladder up there. It's 2 ladders, 2 sections. It's a little crack in the land. And it's too many people that are too scared of heights.
Well, you better be staying here for a long time.
Just don't look down, that's all.
Oh yeah! What did she say? This is like a movie where he gets stuck in between a rock and gets his arm cut off. And has to drink. This is so fun.
exciting.
Really? Were you like, this is so fun? Wow guys, this is great. You can do it, Jen. Just commit. With confidence.
You're alive? She made it, she's still alive.
I didn't have to chew my arm off.
No? Now we're gonna go mountain climbing for real. That was like a walk in the
I think
park.
we're gonna go that way.
We're gonna go this way. Let's go the rough way. Come on, you made it through all that. She's confident now. Look at her go. This is where she busts her ass. Say hello, YouTube, from what's this place called?
Milos.
No.
Tsigardo?
Tsigardo Beach.
Tsigardo.
Tsigardo.
You sound like an Americano.
Because it's an American vlog, that's why. So, prepping na Milao Etsy. Email Americanos. That was a heavy Greek accent, or heavy American accent speaking Greek, that I have to speak this way because I am American.
There you go.
Is that our car?
Yeah.
You sure?
Why are you putting it on the bottom?
I question everything I do with this lady.
Why don't you put it here?
I would you want me to explain on the vlog why? Because the air comes out of here, which is where my camera is and the microphone. Now, I'm going to continue my journey being a taxi cab driver. Where would you like to go, ma'am?
Up your anus.
Why would you want to go up my anus? That's disgusting. What place did you say?
I don't know, stuff's in that.
Tsigardo? Where are we? Tiki Takas. We are at Tsigardo Beach, Milos, and you want to go to Fili Plaka, which is right next to Fili Plaka. Is that where you want to go, Fili Plaka?
It's right here left.
Right there left? You saw a sign, right?
Yeah, I saw a sign that pointed to Fili Plaka.
So I'm not going to bother with Google Map. I don't need Google because I have her. Peace.